Learning in the workplace is completely different to learning in college, as you're dealing with real pressure and real situations. Learning in the workplace gives you new experiences that you wouldn't normally get. All the engineers have helped me a lot, teaching me new things that I didn't know and guiding me through it. They would also explain to me, giving me demonstrations of how things worked. I've definitely gained more confidence from speaking to new people and being put in pressured situations, which helped me with my time management skills. I'm better on the stressful situations when dealing with problem solving and troubleshooting different systems or technology. Some of the systems I was working on are air handling units, which supply fresh air and take away air from a room, making sure the air is clean and to the right temperature. I was learning how to maintain the systems and what all the sensors do, how the fan runs and how the fans are controlled, but also how they're programmed to make them efficient and run safely without costing too much. Some of the key things I took away from that is how everything is interconnected and how there's as much hardware as there is software to make all of this run efficiently and safely.